My name's Derek Ritchie and I'm the producer on The Way. And The Way is a very exciting new drama series which Michael Sheen is directing for the BBC. It's written by James Graham, and at the heart of it is this wonderful town from which our entire story erupts and takes us on a journey out of Wales into England to the coast and further. So Port Talbot is this community is the very heart of our tale, and our main characters, our dysfunctional but very truthful family, come from Port Talbot. So for us to be able to film in this incredible place is amazing.
It's been incredible to be able to tell this story here in a place that I grew up in, that I know so well. And you know, one of the brilliant things about this area is that there's such an amazing range of landscapes and places to film in. You know, we've been able to tell a story that takes place across the whole of the United Kingdom, but to shoot it all here, and that's been amazing. And the people are just great. You know, I mean, the supporting artists, what used to be called extras, that come in and have worked on this show, that are from the local community. I've never seen anything like it. The commitment, what they've brought to this show has made all the difference. And you know, scenes that we've done here, that we did here with hundreds and hundreds of people in the baking hot sunshine, and everyone was giving it everything every time. It's been amazing. It's really moving to see how committed people are to telling a story that is about their area, you know. So it's been amazing. We've had such incredible support from local communities, from local businesses, from people who we filmed in their houses, in their shops, in their streets, and it's just been so amazing to have that support and to feel people so excited and proud that this is taking place, you know, here. That's meant a lot to us, and particularly to me, obviously, because I've worked on this for a long time, and to be able to do it here, to make my debut as a director behind the camera here. There's a lot of overlap with the Passion that I did here in 2011, and again, the support that we had then has been kind of matched by the support we've had this time as well, and it does feel very special.
I'm Bethan Jones, I'm the executive producer on The Way, and we've been filming here for a few weeks now, and it's been absolutely glorious. I know that the weather in Port Talbot is always sunny. This is what our experience is. We actually did an open casting where we had about over 300 people saying they wanted to be involved in it, which is amazing. I think what's extraordinary about being here is that you've got everything so close. So we've got mountain, we've got sea, we've got a town centre, you know, we've got extraordinary old buildings, we've got beautiful new buildings, and we've got great people around us.
You know, I can walk around and go, I'd love to shoot this here, I'd love to do this, I'd love to do that, but it's people like the council who have made it possible, you know, and working with us, working with our production, with our producers, they've made it so easy for us, really, to be able to tell the story that we wanted to tell. So I really want to thank the council, all the communities within East Port Talbot, all the people, all the businesses, because it's you've made this possible, really.
You know, it's the history of this town is everywhere, and a town which has such character, such a strong identity, has such a strong history to it, an interesting political history. All of these aspects play into our story as well. So it's the perfect setting for us, and we've been given the most incredible access to be able to capture so many different aspects of the town. The council and the community have really supported us in making this programme, and to be able to shoot at the steelworks, to be able to shoot on the beachfront, in the dunes, in the hills behind, right the way up to Pontrydyfen, that area as well. We've been so lucky because as a filmmaker, to be able to get such a variety of textures and places to inform what we're making is a real gift. So Port Talbot's been very kind to us and has given us the perfect canvas in which to make our show.
As the leader of East Port Talbot County Borough Council, I'm honoured and privileged that Michael Sheen and the production team have chosen East Port Talbot as the backdrop for the new drama. I'm really looking forward to seeing this finished drama. Our residents and the communities will identify some of the areas of use during the filming. So look out for this production. I hope you're as excited as I am to see the finished article.
It'll be on BBC One, BBC iPlayer sometime next year. I don't really know when. Yeah, I'm as excited as anyone else to see how it turns out, really. It's a huge, ambitious, massive story. But in a lot of ways, a very simple story about a family, you know. And so I'm really excited to see what we come up with.